look pretty, like even if it's a little bit too much, like they're wire, so we can spread it out against the hair.
Okay.
And it'll be fine.
Okay.
Perfect. I love the necklace too.
Yeah, and I got a Rani Har with it as well because the top is like not.
It's low cut too, right?
No, my top is because it was supposed to be for a winter wedding, so like it's longer sleeves and the neck is up here.
Oh, it's a round neck. Okay, so is this gonna sit over the?
It is. It's gonna sit like right on it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's fine. And then you got something like a Rani Har. Okay. And then reception, we're thinking like a nice smoky eye or something.
Yes, smoky eye with like smoky eye, red lip. Like this felt very Latin to me.
Yeah. And this is beautiful. Your dress is gorgeous. It's that long too.
Yep. We
oh
kept
my
the train on it.
So nice.
My seamstress refused to cut it because I was like, I want to dance, I want to dance. She's like, I'm not cutting this. She's like, that's when you walk out, that's what you want to walk out with.
Okay.
Like, okay, fine.
That's awesome. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do one side we'll do with the ceremony colors.
Okay.
And then the other side we'll do with the reception colors.
Okay.
Do you want me to just try to put together a look, or do you have anything specific?
I trust you. You guys did such a great job for my sister's wedding that like I'm in your hands.
Okay. Cool. Yay. All right. Awesome. Done with beautiful Rihanna's look, and it was just so nice to work with you today. I have to tell you, you're so like calm, easygoing. You just kind of let me go with my creative vision. You didn't come with too many restrictions.
I trust you.
And the results are gorgeous. So tell everybody out there, number one, how you feel. Are you excited about the look for your wedding, and how you came about to choose us for your day?
Yeah, I'm super thrilled with this look right now. I feel like me. The hair is really comfortable. My face doesn't feel like there's a ton of makeup, which I absolutely love. And we came across Barbie and Cinderella Brides because my sister used her for her wedding about a year ago, and we had such an awesome experience working with Barbie, working with her team, that I knew when I was getting married I wanted to do the same. So I trust you implicitly. Whatever she had done to me today, I knew I was gonna love it. So thank you.
Thank you so much, and let's go next month. Woo-hoo.
6 weeks.
Yes. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this.